Dr. John Rust. I'm a senior animal scientist at the Dooney Agricultural Development Institute and specializing in animal science specifically. What we want to discuss today is just some general comments on the livestock management calendar that we have produced. Now, the aim of the calendar is to, on a monthly basis, indicate to farmers what they should be doing with their different livestock species. We've divided it into what we would call health management and also general management. Now we're approaching winter. You would see as you approach winter, there are less activity, less things to be done to the animals, and also less medical treatments or vaccinations. If we look at cattle specifically, in May, your cows and your calves, you will be weaning your calves. Now, these are animals that would have calved in spring, September, October of the previous year. They would now be old enough to be weaned. We say that you do this in this specific month, but obviously it can also go on to June. It can move, these things can shift. It's not fixed in stone. It depends on what happened on your farm. The golden rule is just the animals should then be about 6 to 7 months old. So it depends on when they were born. Again, cull old animals not suitable for continued breeding. This is also the time where you get rid of old and unnecessary animals on your farm because you're approaching winter. You don't want unnecessary bodies on your farm. You don't want, more animals to feed if they are not going to be productive. Okay. With your weaned calves, the ones that you've now weaned in May, you can treat them against BVD, bovine viral diarrhea, and you can also treat them with Dectomax, which is a general treatment against internal and external parasites. That's just to clean their systems, because these animals are under stress now because they've just been weaned, and you don't want them to have extra stress of some parasite at that point in time. It's actually a very sensitive time for that weaned calf. And then all the breeding females, you can do a pregnancy diagnosis if it wasn't done in May. So you have April and May where you do your pregnancy diagnosis. As we speak, as we sit here, we are now currently busy doing our pregnancy diagnosis at the Institute. So it falls within that same pattern. For sheep and goats, nothing to be done really in May. It's a very quiet month for them.